Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your side hustle with Facebook ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understand your target audience. Identify their demographics, interests, and online behaviors. Research your competitors and analyze their Facebook ad strategies. Set clear, specific goals for your campaign, such as increasing sales or growing brand awareness. Create a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't already. Link your Facebook page and ad account for seamless management. Define your budget for the ad campaign to control spending. Choose between a daily or lifetime budget based on your needs. Use the Facebook Ads Manager tool to start creating your ad. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goals. Design your ad with eye-catching visuals and compelling copy. Ensure your visuals are high quality and relevant to your audience. Write ad copy that is concise, persuasive, and action-oriented. Incorporate a strong call to action that prompts viewers to take the next step. Use audience targeting options to narrow down your reach effectively. Consider demographics, interests, behaviors, and look-alike audiences to find potential customers. Set up the ad placement for optimal exposure across Facebook and Instagram. Monitor and adjust your placement settings based on performance. Launch your ad and keep an eye on initial feedback and engagement. Track key performance metrics such as reach, clicks, and conversions. Analyze the data to determine what's working and what isn't. Make necessary adjustments to improve ad performance. Test different ad creatives, copies, and ad formats to see what resonates best. Consider using A/B testing to compare different approaches. Regularly review your budget and returns to ensure profitability. Scale your ad spending on high-performing campaigns that yield positive results. Continue to refine your strategy based on audience reactions and market trends. Stay updated with Facebook advertising policies to avoid issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.